Good morning, guys. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, Wealthy Family. My name is Lale Samuel. As well know, what we do in this channel is to give you updates on how you can make money online. Update on how you can earn a living online. As well know, in the country we are no job, so you have to do things. You don't have to relent and be looking for work. You can use your data, do some task. And if you are following my channel, please, I will advise you to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to give you updates, more than one update. So, are you following this update? If you can earn from this, earn from this, earn from this, I can earn from 50 of them, you are going to earn a living. You'll be able to help yourself to get some things done. And that is what we do in this channel. That's what I basically do. I go out there, look for updates for you guys, so that you can earn, and so that you can create a wealthy family together. Please, if you are new to this channel, just do something for me. Just subscribe, like this video, comment below. I am ready to make money. Comment below. I am ready to make money. Then share the video with your families or with your friends, so that together we can build a wealthy family. When you talk about family, family does not comprise of a single person. That's why we have family. So when you bring your friend, you share this video with your friend, we can be able to build a family together, a wealthy family for that matter. So today I'm here with a new update for you guys. And as you all know, I don't just tell you the update, I will tell you how to open an account with them and how to set the withdrawal, everything that you know about them. So let's get started. Get your pen and your book. Let's get started. So the site we are going to be talking about today, yesterday I dropped a video on a particular site. That is Naira Workers. Yesterday I dropped a video on Naira Workers, and the Naira Workers is basically from people from Nigeria. If you are from Nigeria and you haven't opened an account on Naira Workers, watch the video. There is a link in the description. Click on the link, register your account. I told you, from the Naira Workers you can make as much as $10, as 10,000 naira, 10,000 naira every day using Naira Workers. And what I'll be showing you today is the dollar aspect of Naira Worker. It's the same thing as Naira Worker. You do the same thing, but it's the dollar aspect, because you perform microtasks, small tasks, as I told you, small tasks. Then you do surveys, church surveys. Then you earn. So let's get started. Let me go to my Chrome and show you how it is done. The name of the site we are going to use today is Pico Workers. www.picoworkers.com. You see, the former video is about Naira Workers and this is about picoworkers.com. Let's go. picoworkers.com. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends, share with your families, so I can build a wealthy family together. Updates like this we always come. I keep posting every day updates for you to make money. So I'm going to show you how you can open a brand new account with Pico Workers. How you can open a brand new account with Pico Workers. Now let me log out from account. Now let's start from the beginning. And don't forget to watch this video to the present end. As you all know, at the end of my videos I used to put a trick there. I used to put a trick there for you to use to make much money. You just watch this video, maybe watch a few minutes and go. In fact, you won't get it right. The best thing is to watch it to the present end, because at the end of the video I do put some tricks to times 5 times 10 your income. So now let's look. Pico workers. He said an online marketplace that connect freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. CPC. Easy to do affordable tasks. These tasks are very easy to do. And there are two categories of people that are in pay workers. The first is me and you. That is the freelancers. It's me and you. And the second is the business owners side. Because the business owner, they be the one to post the job. Then we, the freelancers, will be the one to do the job. So probably you can use pay workers to do two things. If you own a business, you can go there to post your business. At the same time, you can go there to earn money. Now let me show you how to sign up. Let's click on the sign up button. The sign up is very easy. Very, very easy. So this is it. Your name, your email, your password, confirm your password, your nickname, that's like the username. Then select your country. And something about Pico Worker is that it accepts all countries. It accepts all countries. So don't be panic that is it going to accept me or not. You know, it accepts all countries in the world. So you just have to click here, then sign up. Now let me log into my account and show you some things about this. Let me show you some things about it. And as I told you, watch this video to the present, because I'm going to show you a trick for you to make good money. A trick for you to make good money from this site. I have this a brand new account. This is a brand new account. As you can see, these are the jobs. As you can see, we have enough jobs here for you to do and make enough money from. As I told you, they pay in dollars. Enough job. Can you see? Hope you can see them yourself. Enough, in fact, more than enough job for you to do. From here, you can be making more than $20 per day. And if you use the trick I'm about to share with you, you can probably end up making $30-40 per day. And now let me go to the trick I'm about to share with you. The trick is, in this Pico Workers, you can actually create two accounts using different emails. Use different emails. Create two accounts, use different emails. And second way on how to earn. Now let me show you the second trick. That's why I said you should watch this video to the present end. Let me show you. Now let me go to my account. Let me show you how to get about it. Let me go to my programs and offers. Now the affiliate program, how does it work? You get paid for each deposit task. 5%. For example, you refer your friend and your friend is able to make, let's say, $50. That means you are making 5% of $50. Now if you can refer like 10, that is $25 extra. That is $25 a day. Even without you doing any task, for you to refer alone, you are making money. Now imagine doing you have times 4, you're earning. So that's everything I will show you about Pico Workers. Grab this opportunity and watch out for the next opportunities that will come to this channel. So if you find this video very useful, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment Comment I like the video. Just comment I like the video. The video is very useful. Drop a comment below. Your comment is helping us, your like is helping us, and your subscribe is helping us. You sharing this video is helping us. So my next video is going to be epic. Watch out for my next video. I mean your loyal boy, Olale Samuel. Don't forget to turn on the notification button once you subscribe to this channel, so that any update that is coming, you can be the first to grab it. That's coming, you can be the first to grab it and be the first to earn before the update will cast. So thank you. Let's meet again in my next video.